Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make French toast bites or French toast muffins. For those of you who follow the show, you know that I love breakfast and breakfast foods, and this is just a neat little classic spin on French toast. It's really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get baking. So first what we want to do is we want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next is I took my 6 eggs and I put them in this large bowl. Down below in the description I will list all of the ingredient amounts. Now what we want to do is we want to take our milk. This is 1.5 cups of milk. Our vanilla extract, this is 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Our sugar, this is 2 tablespoons of sugar, and you could use 1 tablespoon of sugar if you like, or you could use like 1/2 tablespoon, or not include it at all. And then this is 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. If you like it more of a cinnamon taste, add a little bit more cinnamon. Now let's go ahead and whisk this all together. Excellent, we got it all whisked together. And now, we want to prepare our bread. Now I'm just using store-bought bread. This is a brand here in the States called, it's like a Texas toast style. And I usually just start with about 6 slices at first. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and cut this into squares. And it's up to you if you want to leave the crust on. I like to leave it on. So just, make little small squares like this. And then what we're gonna do, let me put this over here so you can see it. And we're just gonna go ahead and put these in there, okay? And you could use whatever kind of bread that you want. Now what we do once we have about, 5 or 6 of our slices of bread inside here, you may wind up adding a little bit more milk after the fact. It just depends on how much bread you wind up using. It's not exact. We just want the bread to get nice and well coated. And if it's too runny, then we'll add some more bread. If you look, you can just see that it's kind of runny in here. Just means we want to add some more bread. All right, until it looks something like this. There's not a whole lot of runny pockets. Like if you look at the bottom here, there's no custard or egg mixture. Perfect. This wound up being about 10 slices of this thick Texas toast. And then now what we do is we take our muffin pan, and I've sprayed it with kitchen spray. That's important. And we're just gonna go ahead and start filling these up evenly. I just start with a little bit first on each one, just to make sure I get enough in them. Also, at this point, what I like to do is I just have a little bit of cinnamon sugar here in this little bowl. Come in here and just do a little bit on top. This is totally optional. All right, now we'll bake this in a preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes till it gets nice and golden brown. All right, on to that step. All right, when it comes out of the oven, it'll look like this. Really amazing, nice and golden brown on the top. Just let it sit here in the pan for a few minutes before you handle it. And then what you wanna do is you'll wanna come in with a little knife, butter knife. I'm not scraping anything. I'm just kind of going around the edges just to loosen it up a little bit. Even though we sprayed it, it could still be sticking in there a little bit, which is okay. And just come underneath it. And we're gonna take it out and put it on our plate. And then what you can do is go ahead and plate them. And then you could come in here again with a little bit more cinnamon sugar if you want. Or you can do some syrup. And come in here with a little bit of powdered sugar. And there we have it. Amazing little French toast bites or French toast muffins. All right, our French toast bites or muffins are done. Turned out amazing. Really simple to do. I really like this spin on a classic French toast dish. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also down below in the description, you'll find the ingredients amounts as well as links to my other social media accounts and my other YouTube channel in case you want to check that out. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah, my favorite part of the show. I'm gonna grab into this one right here.